it is a couple days later, I believe. I don't think I vlogged yesterday. I am so nervous though. I don't think I'm gonna vlog much today. I'm just gonna like throw this into the vlog because I'm really nervous and I have no one to talk to right now. I'm on my way to court. I've kind of mentioned this. Still can't talk about it, why, but it's like this is like the first time I've ever been to court for like me, you know? So I'm really nervous, but oh my God, I asked God, I'm like, listen, I'm your favorite. No, I'm kidding. But no, genuinely, I was praying and just saying like, listen, I'm not even asking for help. I'm not even asking for help. I just want to feel your presence and feel you with me in that courtroom because I am pooping my pants. So, and I feel like when I do, I know it might sound strange, like if you're not religious, which I respect and everything, of course, I'm never gonna shove my religion down your throat, but I do believe in God, and I just feel like whenever, I mean, like I'll talk to God, but like when I feel really alone or like I'm doing something really, really scary, I'll ask him to just like be with me, sit next to me, be with me in this courtroom because I'm going alone and I'm so scared. Okay. Let's just go get this done because now I'm just like stalling. Okay guys, I just took the kids out for lunch. We actually just got back. Ella is in her playroom now. The only thing that drives me nuts about my extensions is that like I gotta carry a hairbrush because it just gets really knotty after a while. I kind of gotta. Okay, so I just took them out. Hi, son. I just took them. This isn't gonna work. Now my clip wants to fall out. I just took them to Friendly's, which I haven't been to a Friendly's in years. So I took them out for a quick lunch. And we had plans to go out a little bit later and go have some fun, but those plans might be changing a little. All my groceries, I went grocery shopping and they're literally all outside. It's because I had gone grocery shopping and then we went out for lunch. So I have some perishables in here. And then, I don't know why, I'm so out of breath. I don't know why, but I have been wanting to like redecorate everything. I have this divider in my kitchen, which initially I was gonna extend this wall a little bit, and I don't know, it was supposed to look a little more like it belonged there, but I'm thinking about moving it or even putting it like, honestly, I'm thinking even behind that bookcase over there, like behind that as sort of like a background. I don't know. I'm just kind of not feeling it right here anymore. Plus I want to eventually replace like my bar stools and get nicer chairs and a nicer table. This is all kind of like, I bought this table super duper cheap from Walmart probably 6 months ago at this point. It was always meant to be replaced, but I figured for the time being that it would work. Because I just wanted somewhere that like we could sit as a family, because I don't have my dining room is the playroom. So we sit in here and we sit at the bar together. I got most of my groceries put away at this point. There's a couple more pantry items and then I just have a pile of trash that has to go out. I got most of my groceries away. There's a couple more items that has to go in the pantry and stuff, and like fruit, but I went to HomeSense as well and I didn't go crazy, but I definitely wanted curtains for this kitchen. My neighbors are right there. I enjoy my neighbors, but I'm pretty sure they don't want me walking around butt naked when I get out of the shower. So I needed to get curtains. That's what I went there for. And I did find panel, but it actually, it might be too long because like, yes, my windows are high up, so I could get along with the longer panels. But the problem is my baseboard is right there. So I forgot to get ties. Like I couldn't find any ties for the curtains or anything. So maybe it'll work if I tie them or even like not. I don't know. We're gonna see. I don't even know. I measured nothing. I measured nothing. That's pretty much how I do it. I'll buy something, take it home, see if it works, and if it doesn't, then I'll return it. It's so inefficient, but it's just the way I... Oh, also you can see the hearts because Valentine's Day is next month and I'm so excited. I don't know why. I have always adored Valentine's Day. Whether or not I'm in a relationship, I love Valentine's Day. I love all the cute stuff that comes out. I love all the decorations. I love dressing up. Like, I'll take my damn self out for Valentine's Day. I don't care. Oh, that's my favorite holiday. Like, honestly. I mean, I love Christmas, like now being a mom, because of the excitement of my kids, but like, Christmas itself is so stressful with all the holiday shopping, but Valentine's Day, oh, I love it so much. And I'm not that kind of girl that like expects extravagant gifts ever, or like especially on Valentine's Day. I feel like it's super overrated. The Hallmark cards and flowers and chocolate, and don't get me wrong, I love all that stuff, but I love that stuff any time of the year. Valentine's Day, I just love because of the colors, and I don't know, ever since I was a kid, I adored Valentine's Day. One of my favorite things in school was when, I don't know if you guys are from the States, but at least here on the East Coast, we would pass out like little Valentine's Day cards to our classmates and stuff, and we used to make like little Valentine's Day mailboxes to leave on our desk, and then on Valentine's Day we would bring in our cards and pass them out and like put them in everyone's Valentine's Day box. Like, I love the conversation hearts. I don't love the way they taste. They kind of taste like chalk, but I don't know, just everything about this. I love Valentine's Day. I don't know why. I cannot get this out. Oh boy, brackets. Time to put more holes in my walls. Now, before I go crazy destroying this whole thing, we should probably make sure it's gonna fit. So, of course, it comes with the 2 brackets. I think this should be a good length, but we'll see. And I just got like a silver, like this is matte, but then the ends are almost like, it's like a chrome, but it's not like a glossy chrome. I have no idea what that's called. Maybe you do. I'm just gonna screw these together just to hold it up there, just to see. Excuse you. What? When has that never just slid in? Don't tell me I'm gonna get stumped by it. Okay, every single curtain rod I've ever purchased. Okay. Okay, why is it that I went to go get my daughter's jacket out of the dryer. Why is it that every time I need something, I can find it? The minute I don't need something, I can find it. I'm looking for my drill bits, but honestly, I might just go without it. So. Put that back on there. Okay. I gotta do some finagling to find, because I can't find a drill bit, but we're gonna measure, and actually my old brackets or holes are already up there, which I'll use as a guide. We're gonna wing this just like the rest of everything else. Wing. Guys, I literally feel so stupid. Okay, so the instructions that I got was just how to hang the brackets, which I already know how to use drill bits and all that. That was not the problem. The problem is that every time I've ever bought a rod, they literally just slide, like one slides into another, like a male. Oh my God. Oh, wait a minute. So these curtains I got are just these white textured curtains. It does come with 2 panels from Amy Mason. It's the name of the brand. It's what they look like. So like I said, really long, and that's fine, except for my baseboard right there. And then, oh, wonderful, we're denting things. Also, I bought this macrame basket kind of thing, and I really wanted to put some fruit, like that's why I didn't put any of my fruit away yet. So I want to find a good home for this, which I have no idea. I want it to be just out of reach for Hunter, but like within reach for Ella. Because by the time that Hunter can reach it, like he'll be old enough too that he just doesn't take one bite out of every apple. I think I mentioned this in last vlog, or maybe the vlog before that. My son's birthday is coming up, which he's only turning 2, and his birthday is at the end of January. So it's like too cold outside. So I think we're gonna do something really small and intimate with just immediate family. But here is this is all tied up. What the heck? She's like, I want to do Legos, then I want to go paint, and then I want to make slime, and then I want to make squishies, and then I want to drive mom nuts, and then I want to snack, and then I want to tell you a good, really long story, and then I want to... I'm busting her bubbles. Okay. This is going to be far too painful to watch on camera, so let me go put this up, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, it's too long. It's too long, but I'm going to try to like... This is all temporary. I don't know. I'm gonna have to definitely play with this off camera, but let me just take a step back. We're gonna leave that as is right now because I still want to find a spot for this basket and again, potentially move this. I'm sorry, I'm just trying to think of where the heck to put this basket. Like, do I hang it? All right, I'm gonna look for a couple different spots. And where did I put the basket? Oh, you know what? I have a plant hanging up right there. And initially I said I wanted the kids to like be in reach of it, but honestly, they're really good about asking when they want. And I think Ella can because she can reach the back of the counter. So I think she could reach this. I'll try it. Let's see.
I think I could.
Okay. Yeah, so she can't reach that. I don't know if I want it there. Let's try somewhere else. I definitely wish I took a before picture, but I love it. I love how it came out. I'm not came out. I'm not 100% done. In case you're wondering what that noise is, I'm not 100% done. You can see that this still needs like another coat of paint, the doors in particular. And then I bought Goof Off because, oh, I forgot that I unscrewed that. I was like, where'd the handle go? I bought Goof Off to go over the glass and stuff. But I'm super happy with how it came out. I think it's so cute.